Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I am back with another video of the series of video of creating a super astrophotography processing computer where you can do an image processing with an amazing lightning fast speed that will really cut down a lot of time during your image processing sessions that you have at home. So today I have a cooling fan with me which will help to keep your system cool under the controllable temperature or under the right operating temperature so that all your components are cool and function properly. So today on this video guys, I'm going to do an unboxing of this RGB colored 120mm cooling fan. This is a set of 3 fans. It is Storm X3 made by Jia Electrical Conical. I think it is Chinese brand that you have, but I think it has very good reviews on Amazon, so I thought to purchase it. Ensure that you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information or specifications that I have to share. Before we move further, if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. So this is the box in which you get this RGB colored based cooling fan. This is 120mm cooling fan. Let us see on the box before opening what are the specifications mentioned on the box. So on the top of the box you see it is mentioned Storm X3. So basically you have 3 fans inside this. These, as you can see, this is a colorful logo on the top which says that it is an RGB based fan. Let us see what else. On the side you have the same thing, Storm X3, and it is made by Jia Electromechanical, which is I think a Chinese brand as I told you before. At the back you see you have the branding of the manufacturer, and then it says that it is included with the fan hub, which can connect up to 10 pieces of the fan or any other equipment that you want to control for lighting purpose. It is controllable RGB LED. You can change the color through LED with the remote control that it comes along with. It is controllable fan speed. Also you can control the fan speed using the remote, and then it has 1200 RPM with the 19.5 dBA noise level that it says. It is ARGB, so it is addressable RGB, which means you can control the light via software which comes along with your motherboard. It is anti-vibration and 120mm fan. That is what you have. On other side you can see it has some of the technical specification or connection specifications. You can see there are 5 fan one side and 5 another side, along with 2 LED strip that it can support. This is the control hub that it was talking about, and then there is a wire that goes to your PSU or motherboard where you can connect this one. So this is what you have on the box, I guess. So let us open the box and see what it comes along with. Once you first open the box, this is how it looks like. Now let us take out one by one each equipment and see what is there inside the box. Let's keep the box aside. So this is the remote control that it was talking about. This has nice printed and self-explanatory. We'll see this later what it has to offer. This is the hub that it was talking about. You can control up to 10 fan and 2 LED strip along with it. So this is the control hub that it comes with. There are few cables, connection cable that it comes along with, and few of the screws that it comes along with it. These are the cables that are attached to the fans. Let us take out the fan one by one. So you can see these are big 120mm fans. So it has 3 pieces of this fan that it comes along with. And this is the last one. So these are the 3 fans that it comes with. There is nothing more in the box, so I will keep this aside. So as you can see, these are the components that is there inside the box. Now let us look at each of the component one by one. How does it look like and what it has to offer? So let us start with the remote control that it comes along with. So this was nicely packed under this transparent cover. As you can see, it has already got the battery inside, and it is insulated with this transparent strip that it has so that your battery does not get discharged. On the top of the remote control you can see there is on and off and auto button, and then you have speed and brightness control. And also you have the color control, which is properly marked on this remote control so that you can change the color at the same time. So this is what you have on the remote control. This is the hub that you have on the top. It clearly mentions the fan numbers fan number 1 to 5 and then 6 to 10 on the sides, and on these sides you have the LED strips that you can connect with, and then you have PC input and power input, and I think this is the RGB control that you have on this side. So you can see it is clearly marked with the ports on each side, on either side, and then it is marked the power cord with the red, and then you have the control and the PC input that you have. At the back you have the DST so that you can stick it to your PC cabinet so that it does not move around. So this is also a nice addition, I think. So this is what you have on the hub. So this is the power control rod that you can see. It is properly marked as red so that you know where to connect on this controller hub that you have, and this is the piece that goes inside your PC power so as to power this hub. So let's keep this aside for now. These are some of the screws that it comes along with so as to screw these fans onto the cabinet. So it has 4 screws each for each fan that you have. And then here this is the fan itself. You can see this is 120 mm diameter fan. It is a big fan. It functions very smoothly, as you can see. It is a silent fan with 19.5 dB noise level. This is the socket that goes into your fan controller that can control the speed of the fan and also the color of the fan and everything. So this is the port through which you connect each of the fan to your power control hub. So guys, this is it. This is what you get inside the box of this ARGB lighting controlled cooling fan for the cabinet. I will be doing another video for how to connect these fans to your cabinet and to your motherboard, and how to control the lights and everything, and how to connect it with your hub, and how to control it with your remote control, and also how to control the lights and colors of this using the software that comes along with the motherboard. So ensure that you guys stick to my channel and ensure that you follow me on this channel so that you do not miss out on any new videos that I have to share. So I hope you guys like this video. Please hit that like button if you like this video. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for my new videos. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, and clear skies.